Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a virtual assistant portfolio using Canva quickly and easily. So first, I want you to open Canva and click the templates option. And once the templates page opens, go to the search bar and type virtual assistant portfolio. And then Canva will then show you different portfolio designs. So look through the available templates, select the design you prefer, and click it to open the Canva editor. And once the template opens, you will see several pages included in the design. So these pages may contain sections such as an introduction, service offered, why hire a VA, and then skills and tools, and other important information. You can also customize the photos, text, colors, and graphics to make the portfolio fit to your needs. So to replace the photo, click the current image and press delete on your keyboard. Next, click Uploads on the left side, then click Upload Files, and then select the photo that you want to use. And once it is uploaded, click the photo to add it to the page. After that, click Edit Photo at the top of the screen, and then select Background Remover if you want to remove the background, or Open Shadows to add a shadow effect. You can then drag the corners to resize the photo and move it into the correct position. You can also click flip if you want the photo to face the opposition direction. Next, update the text by double clicking any text box and then delete the sample text. Then add your introductions, service offered, why hire a VA, and other important information. So go through each page and replace the sample details with the correct information for your portfolio. You can also change the design colors by selecting an item and clicking the color button at the top. So choose a color that matches the style that you want. So to add a logo, click Uploads, select the logo file and place it on the page. Resize and position it where you want, then use background remover if needed. So for extra design details, click Elements and then search for Graphics. Select a graphic, resize it, and place it in your portfolio. And then Canva may also show recommendations that match your chosen template. So once everything is finished, click Share in the top right corner, then select Download. And then choose PDF to save it as a document or PPTX to use it as a presentation. And finally, click Download to save the completed portfolio to your device. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.